Have you ever promised yourself to change something in your life but stopped after a few days? Maybe you wanted to study English, save money, start a business, or learn a new skill. At first you felt excited. You told yourself, "This time will be different." But slowly days passed. You felt tired, you lost focus, and the dream stayed only in your mind. Many people think success comes from motivation, but motivation is not strong. Discipline is. Today's story is about an ordinary person. Not rich, not famous, not lucky. Just someone who learned how discipline can change a life. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Liam. He was 29 years old and worked as a cashier in a small grocery store. Every day he stood behind the counter, smiling at customers, counting money, and packing bags. Liam had a dream. He wanted to become a graphic designer. He loved colors, simple designs, and beautiful images. Sometimes after work, he watched design videos online and imagined himself creating posters and logos, but he never stayed consistent. One week he studied. The next week he stopped. "I'm too tired today," he said. "I'll start again next month." Months passed. Nothing changed. One evening, a regular customer named Mrs. Allen came to the store. She noticed Liam watching a design video on his phone during a break. "You like design?" Mrs. Allen asked. "Yes," Liam said softly, "but I don't have time or talent." Mrs. Allen smiled. "I started my online business at 35, she said. "I wasn't talented, I was disciplined." That word stayed in Liam's mind all night. The next morning, Liam made a simple decision, not a big plan, just one small rule. Every morning he would wake up 1 hour earlier. He would study design before work. No excuses. The first day was hard. His eyes were heavy. His bed was warm. But he got up. He opened his old laptop and followed a basic design lesson. He didn't understand everything, but he finished the lesson. The next day he did it again and again. Some days were boring. Some days he felt slow and confused. But he showed up, 1 hour every day. After 1 month, Liam created his first simple poster. It wasn't perfect, but it was his. He shared it online. No response. He kept going. After 3 months, he had a small collection of designs. One day, a small local business sent him a message. "Can you design a flyer for us?" Liam was scared, but he said yes. He worked carefully. He delivered on time. They paid him a small amount, but to Liam, it felt huge. Life was still not easy. Some clients complained. Some designs were rejected. He made mistakes. One week, he felt overwhelmed and skipped his morning routine. Then another day. Doubt returned. One morning, he looked at his laptop and remembered his old life, waiting, dreaming, stopping. He whispered, "I will not quit." He woke up early again. He returned to his routine. 1 year later, Liam no longer worked as a cashier. He had a small but steady income from design work. He worked from home. He chose his projects. He wasn't famous. He wasn't rich. But he was proud. And every morning, he still woke up early, not because he felt motivated, but because discipline had become part of him. When people asked him, "What changed your life?" he answered simply, "I didn't wait to feel ready. I showed up every day." So if you are watching this and thinking, "I start things but never finish," remember Liam, you don't need more motivation. You need discipline. Discipline is choosing what you want most, not what you want now. Thank you for watching Temmy Tales in English. If this story helped you learn English and inspired your heart, don't forget to subscribe. We share simple stories every week to help you grow your language and your life. Now go and build your dream.